I'm Mike Hinderleiter with Powerwash.com, along with Larry Hinckley, Senior Technical Advisor for Powerwash.com. We're going to tell you a little bit about our clutch-operated models. Larry, I'd like you to go into the features and the benefits of what happens with the clutch-operated system.
Okay, thank you, Mike. This engine turns a clutch-operated General TS2011 pump. Mm-hmm. By clutch operated, what I'm saying is when you squeeze your trigger and you achieve pressure, the clutch engages and turns the pump.
Okay, so it's got inside the pulley system here, it has a disengageable clutch.
Yes, sir.
That is hooked up to that pulley, so when you let off the trigger, that pulley stops spinning and the pump actually stops.
Exactly.
What benefit does that have on the pump?
The benefit in doing that is if you release your trigger and allow the pump to continue turning, heat builds up internally in the pump.
It's in a bypass mode.
It's in a bypass mode, and the heat generated by the gearbox of the pump normally is carried away as the water flows out.
Okay.
If you recirculate that water back in through the head of the pump, the heat never leaves the pump.
Right.
So you build up internal temperatures. Who knows how high it can go? I've seen it go high enough to melt the packing and the rubber and plastic parts in there be destroyed.
And in all my years of being a power washer, that's a common thing to happen where someone lays down a trigger gun, they get kind of forgetful of what they're doing, or they don't pull that trigger again quick enough to cool down that head, so it ends up melting that packing or burning it up. So we have to go back and repack the pump. And then what's the other thing that can happen if it gets really hot in there?
Well,
and you pull the trigger.
What happens is the heat builds up in there. You have ceramic plungers, and ceramic is glass, mm-hmm. basically. You heat ceramic and then cool it rapidly, you get thermal shock, which means they'll shatter. Your plungers will get hairline cracks or just totally shatter.
And if they shatter,
then
it's going to mess up all kinds of things in the head.
Then you're going to buy a new pump, because in all probability what's going to happen is you're going to break a rod and it's going to go through the pump casing.
Okay, all right. Well, to me, that seems like a very big benefit to have that clutch on there. And to have that clutch, when just say you let off the trigger, in a normal operation, if you don't have the clutch, you're going to be wearing on the valves, wearing on the packing, wearing on the ceramic. Any movable parts inside the head of that pump are going to continue to get wear on them without a clutch.
Exactly.
So it reduces maintenance and repairs all the way around.
Exactly.
Which is a big benefit when we're trying to make money with a power washer.
Absolutely, and it takes the load off of your engine too, so which actually increases your engine life.
Visit us on the web at www.powerwash.com or give us a call at 1-800-433-2113. Thank you and have a great day.